The topic of this video is composing functions. This is a continuation of the previous video. Alright, we've completed the first two pieces, now we're ready for the third. So first, rewrite using the definition, using the letters that you see from left to right. So we get h of f of x. And once again, inside we see a variable, so we work from the outside in. What that means is we're going to use function h, and specifically the right-hand side of function h, but instead of writing x, we'll put f of x. So we get 3 f of x. Now substitute, and we get 3 is being multiplied by f of x, which is 5x squared minus 4, and then finally distribute, and we get 15x squared minus 12. This is our final answer. Now, an alternate explanation of what's going on here is shown in this diagram. If you understood everything we just did, then you don't have to pay too much attention to this diagram, but in the case that it happens to be helpful, when x goes into f, what comes out is f of x, and when f of x goes into h, what comes out is h of f of x, which is what we're being asked to find in this problem. So notice that the output from the first is becoming the input of the second. In other words, this f of x becomes the x for the h function. And that's why this f of x shown here is put in place of the x seen here. In other words, all we have to do to get our answer here is multiply the function f of x by 3.